Hello Cubs! This week we're working on the Home Help badge, where we're going to try and do 3 of the requirements, and we're also going to do the 3rd hedge visit. The first of the requirements for the Home Help badge is to plan, cook and serve a simple 1-course meal. This could be anything you want, from pasta, omelettes or a dessert of some kind. Some of you might have already done this with Ricky. That is okay. You can try and do this again, or you can just do the other requirements. The second requirement is to wash up the dishes after you cook a meal. You can use the dishwasher or the sink. You just need to show that you know how to make pots, pans, any cutlery you use clean again for the next time you need them. The third requirement is to clean 2 items in your home. These could be the sides before and after you clean them, cleaning the table and clearing it before you go to eat. Or if you clean at the sink, you could just wipe the sink down after. Anything you want. For the hedge visit, you just need to go to the place you've checked before and see if there's any changes with summer getting closer. Good luck with all the activities, stay safe as always, and with anything that you do, take photos or videos and let us know how you get on.